the thing is I have only 2 okra here.
Ikaw ang pag-ibig na binigay.
May tao talaga na nagdetect doon sa ring doorbell namin.
Good morning, Philippines!
Guys, that's my grocery haul. Hala, it smells good, Han. May asong lumabas sa mga bibig. Han, they said, Han, it's a bad luck, Han. Have a dragon in the house. What? Hala, may mga aso-asong lumabas, guys, oh. Putsak, may aso. That's really ugly, Han. 1 dragon, how many heads? Gutom na, little boy. Are you hungry? Ako sana yung mag-barbecue, pero sabi niya, siya lang daw. So, go ahead. Magasto, guys, diba? Kapag kasama ko yan, hindi naman yan maitago sa inyo na every time talaga ganun yan siya. Iba kasi yung Walmart, kapag mag-shopping ka talaga sa Walmart, ano, yung ang dami mong mabibili, as in. Hanap tayo ng garlic kasi lutuin natin yung asparagus. Bukas is itong yung 2 okra na harvest natin. Actually 4 yung na-harvest ko. Yep. And then kasi ano na, so 2 yung andito. So yun, i-mix natin dito sa pagbo-boil. Ang bango ng niluluto niya. Nagluluto siya ng chicken toy. Yeah. Kami lang na naman 2, kaya nagluluto ako ng konti lang talagang asparagus. Isa lang. I mean, hindi isa yung asparagus. Isang lang, pikot. Kami lang 2. Bukas ang lutuin ko na gulay bukas is yung mushrooms. Yan. Nagutom talaga ako, guys. You know, yung salad ba? Kapag yung salad kinain mo, no, hindi talaga masaya yung tiyan ko. Kain tayo ng tangerine. Tangerine. Maasim. Maasim. Ang asim. Ang bango ng niluluto ni Tami. Naluto na yung guys, yung asparagus. So, i-drain ko lang siya dito. Mag-isa tayo ng garlic. So, yun lang, konting oil at garlic. Asim! Tapos na ako nagluto, and then yung okra ko 2. Si Roxy, guys, may nakitang mouse. Come here, Misty. Outside. She's trying to kill the mouse. And the mouse went where? The tree?
Yeah, I'm in the tree.
So tumakbo patungo sa kahoy. Tingnan niyo si Roxy, naghintay.
Trying to get some bird food.
Yeah, Roxy is waiting for that mouse. It's right there.
Well, the mouse will have long anyway, because eventually the birds will see them.
Initin daw ni Tami yung pasta niya kagabi. Nagluto siya ng pasta. And i-add daw niya mag-add siya ng milk. Parang hindi niya nagustuhan yung texture. Well, actually, kapag nalagay mo na talaga sa refrigerator, kapag may leftover ka, mga pasta, madadry out talaga siya. So, kaya kailangan mo siyang initin or mag-add ka ng something. Ako, rice is life, so I will eat rice. Also, I will eat pickles. You know, papaya pickles, kutsara. Yan. Sino bang makasurvive sa salad, guys? Kung yun lang yung kakainin ninyo. May naman ako kinain kanina, yung sausage, isang sausage. Hindi pa rin. Another chicken for dinner. Leftover namin na cucumber. And yun lang. And Tami for sure salad. I have rice. And this one. And ito, iniinit ko pa. Kasi inilagyan niya ng milk.
As in.
Ha?
As in.
As in?
As in.
Why, it's not cooked? It's cooked. Wanna try it? Looks good. No, you eat it.
No, I got it cut for you.
Guys, you want me to try his chicken? Guys, let's go.
I had the little piece that fell off.
It's good, Ham. It's good. Ito, guys. Ang sarap nito, guys. But Hammy doesn't like it. Gotcha.
I like these, they're very small.
Huh?
I like them, they're very small.
Which one?
These little square ones. I mean, the other one's good for like a big soup spoon or something, but these are good for like a little something.
I think this is cooked already. Your chicken is done probably, Han? Nagutom na talaga ako, guys. Sarap ng atsaraw eh. Gutom ako eh.
You're going crazy trying to get Rocky.
Are you in a play mode, Misty? Are you in a play mode? This is so crazy creature. Two of you. Roxy, I see Roxy flying. Look at her. Look.
Roxy chasing.
Yeah. Misty. Misty, are you happy? Are you happy, mates? Good girl, you happy. Sabi pa ulan ngayon. Walang ulan ay. Pataka lang sila. It's a bird. My goodness, Roxy. Kawawang ibon. She's sniffing on the grill hand.
Leave the bird alone. Leave that bird alone.
She want to drink. She want to drink. She looks so tired. You tired? Napapagid, ikaw gid, gikagid. Nagutom na ako. Ang tagal na naman ng asawa ko. Para talagang babae.
You did it yet? No, you did it. Oh,
Malala.
guess what?
Malala.
You're out of luck, kids.
Okay, let's eat now because I'm hungry.
Tommy.
Thomas chicken is good. Finally, I can eat my okra. Here. Asparagus too. Use your spoon, fork, whatever. It's just the two of us.
Don't matter. I use it because I haven't used a fork yet. Once I use a fork, I'm gonna do that.
Oh, you can use this. Achara, good.
What's good?
This one. Chara. Your chicken is good. The okra is the best. The thing is, I have only 2 okra here. The other one is overdone. Like they're old. May nag-garden
He
pa
didn't say
doon.
nothing about ordering. He said, oh, we have DJs or something. I said, well, you know, I know the guy needs to do that. So he goes, oh, they're good. We got them there for whatever. Events, yes. Not much ice.
But still ice, hun. For when the last time you put ice in there?
Hindi ko kayang mawala Piling ko, hindi ko
Mas mahal na kita ngayon, higit pa kaysa noon. Mas mahal na kita ngayon, sa habang panahon. Wala akong pakialam sa ating nakaraan, kahit na ako'y pinagtatawanan. Ang mahalaga'y mas mahal.
Yung nilabhan ko na ano guys, ang bango-bango ng bulaklak. Ano to? Ilagay natin ito sa isang kama doon sa taas. Naiwan pala kayo dyan. Yung isang pillowcase. Itong bedroom is naka-close siya palagi dahil si Habsi bag. Then mamaya ka na ha. Tomorrow is Thursday, Han, right? Thursday, I have a video. And then Friday, then Saturday. So, kailangan ko lang itong dalhin din. Hala. Somebody's in front of the house, Han. Han? Somebody's in front of the house. Wala mang tao. Yung ring doorbell namin naka-detect na may tao sa labas. May motion kasi pero walang tao. Kalukal, nakatakot. Ito yung pinili kasi ni Tami. Ay. Ito yung pinili ni Tami. So, tignan natin. Ah, okay naman yung amoy niya. Ito lang roses na style niya yung parang, look. And then, ilagay mo siya doon sa taas. Ipakita ko sa inyo, ha? Naku, maabot ko. Mabango man siya, guys. Mabango siya. Para sa bathroom. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe and like this video if you like lang naman. And I will see you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Hindi ko alam guys kung ano bukas. Thursday siya. Oh, na-text ko pala yung kaibigan ko. Yung Pinay na nakilala ko. May tao talaga May tao talaga na nag-detect doon sa ring doorbell namin. Wala namang tao. Look, wala namang tao. Pero yung ring talaga, nag-detect. Iwan ko kung ano yun. Anyway, so yung Pilipina na nakilala ko guys, kasi busy din siya, so hindi siya makarating dito. And sa Friday din, busy din ako. So, busy kami. You know, and bukas, ang dami pa kong gawain guys. So, yun. And, pero kung may darating man bukas, okay lang naman. Pero, busy siya is, yun. Anyway guys, so, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Kita-kits tayo bukas. And, bye! Good night guys. Si Tami nag-ano sa laptop niya. And din ako din sa laptop.